Withdrawing money from your Epic Games account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a successful transfer. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account from which you want to withdraw funds. Step 2. Navigate to the payment settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the payment or wallet section where you can manage your payment methods and view your balance. Step 3. Check your balance. Verify that you have sufficient funds in your Epic Games wallet. If you have any pending transactions or refunds, ensure they are resolved before proceeding. Step 4. Select Withdrawal option. In the payment settings, look for an option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as Withdraw to Bank or something similar. Click on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 5. Enter bank details and confirm. Provide the necessary bank account details where you want the funds to be sent. Double check the information for accuracy, then confirm the withdrawal. You should receive a notification once the transaction is processed. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank statement to confirm the transfer.